Hi boys and girls, this is called Reading Captions. First, I want you to put your name at the top of the paper. The directions say, a caption tells the reader more about the picture they see. I think you learned that in the learning video you just watched, right? So we're going to look at this paper and it says to read the caption. Then draw a picture that matches the caption. So the first one was done for you. When we read the caption, it says a baby turtle hatches from an egg. That means the picture that I look at should match my caption. And right here I see that there's a baby turtle hatching from an egg. So my caption, the words right here next to the picture, told me what I was looking at in the picture. So down here, the caption, here's my words, this is my caption. My caption has to describe my picture. But look, there's no picture here. So it's your job to read the caption and then draw a picture that would make sense next to this caption. So the caption says, a mama bird is feeding her baby birds worms from her beak. So what do you think this caption, what do you think the picture should look like next to the caption? Yeah, I should see a mama bird feeding baby birds worms from her beak. Maybe they're sitting in a nest, maybe they're on a branch, maybe they're in the grass. You have to decide. Make sure you put in some details because I really want to make sure that my caption tells me about my picture. So your picture has to match your caption. All right, good luck. If you have extra time before your timer goes off, you can add some color to your pictures. But make sure you set your timer before starting this activity.